How are you doing?
Hi, Daddy.
You're so big. I look at the size of that
Okay,
paw.
You want to give him some...
Hi. Where are we going? Like, act natural. We're on camera.
Hey,
There we go.
don't eat my shirt.
Yep. Okay, anyway. I think I would enjoy goat farm life. This is fun. I don't know if I could commit to like 24/7. Ah! It's like zombie apocalypse with me standing here. Here you go. Num 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 num. Animal crackers for the goat. It's just nice to get away from people. Like look at this. Look at the nothing. Look at how much nothing there is. It's pretty nice to visit nothing once in a while.